Hello friends! Today I'm going to show you 3 items that you should totally add to your stocking stuffer list from Best Buy for the holidays. First, we've got the Google Nest Hub. I got mine in the color chalk, and this is so great for those who want to be connected but still present. You can see your calendar, weather, and play music all from your Google Nest, and it looks so aesthetic. It's like a cozy little hub, and it's the perfect gift for the tech lover in your life. Next up is the Philips Hue Bluetooth Light Strip Plus extension. I already have a Philips Hue lighting setup, and this let me expand to behind my desk, and this just creates a more immersive experience. It's a great gift for anyone who is looking to liven up their home office. Lastly, we've got the Solo Stove Mesa XL Fire Pit. I got the one in stainless steel, and it's great for cozy nights outdoors, especially during the colder seasons. Snuggle up with your loved ones and stay toasty while enjoying the outdoors. So be sure to check out Best Buy for your stocking stuffers this holiday season. They've got the perfect gifts for every budget and free next day delivery on thousands of items.